have to go down. It just
But
has
there's
to.
a possibility. There's a possibility. It never hits 0, 0.
Hey.
It doesn't matter.
I'm not saying that it would never. I'm saying there is a possibility. It will never hit 0, 0.
It doesn't matter if it's eventually. We're not talking about one of these graphs. We're talking about one of these graphs.
You type in the calculator.
Look,
No, but
it
that's
starts
what
at
I'm talking
100.
about. I am talking about
Yeah,
x,
it's
y.
zero.
Quadratic.
It's not.
That's
It's not
what
quadratic.
it is. Quadratic
It's one of
function.
these.
It's not.
That's
Are you
what it says
videotaping
at the
this?
top.
Okay, let's be clear. I never said that this had anything to do with this,
Oh.
Ah, roasted.
okay?
Well, it should
But-
be on the same board.
Come on.
But
If it is a quadratic function, Sydney's absolutely right.
boom.
But it's not quadratic.
It's not a quadratic.
It's not.
It's not a
And he's
quadratic.
been
But it
recording
might
the whole
be.
time.
An exponential function.
Yeah, because as it gets closer to
But if it's
as it gets closer
exponential,
to-
it will never touch 0 either.
if no, because of the multiple of 5. Because of the
If it's
multiple
an
of 5. As it
exponential-
gets smaller,
if
it
it's an
should never
exponential,
hit 0.
But you're
Because if-
saying it's gonna hit 0. So
I am saying
Fight
it's,
me.
hey.
mm.
No, but see, if you take something and you divide it in half, and divide that in half, and divide that in half, and divide that in half,
hit 0.
you will never hit 0. But if you take that and move it 5 places to the right, and then divide that in half, and then move 5 places to the right and divide that in half, and move 5 places to the right and divide that in half, you will reach 0.
Yep.
Ah!
I mean, those are all really good thoughts. Okay? I mean, it was great.
But that's if. What about this problem?
Because, look at this. You're taking 5 seconds. So you're going to multiply the thing by 5.
Do we really have to do this all the way to
5. 5.
She's gonna do it all the way to 0.
0? I will.
5.
I will.
It's
I will
gonna be
come
a
back.
huge waste
Like
of
this
time.
weekend, that's when I'm gonna spend my weekend doing.
Then we have to change
Who cares
the
about
math
homework
the
or
whole
anything?
way.
What
Yeah.
really matters
I will
is
record myself doing it, and then y'all can
We have to
look
check
to the
'cause,
video.
like you mess up like a 1 or 2 numbers and like
The whole thing is
Yeah.
hard.
I'm gonna get like a text at like 1 a.m. on Sunday, and it's just gonna be like,
What now?
yeah, it's gonna be like I'm sorry, you were right, and that's what
No,
that's
it's
what
not.
gonna-
No, it's not.
Yeah,
I'm right.
That's what it's gonna be. It's all it's gonna be. It's gonna be like, oh,
I'm saying
so
that, but
sorry.
I'm not saying you're
I'm so
wrong.
sorry,
I'm saying
I
there's
ever
a
doubted.
possibility you are wrong.
But there isn't a possibility, because once you hit 0 on this graph, there's no way you can go underneath.
But if it's an exponential, it would never hit 0.
Yeah, it would. Yeah, it would.
No, it wouldn't.
Yeah, it would.
No,
No,
it
it
wouldn't.
Yeah, it would.
No, it wouldn't.
But I'm saying because of the
Isn't that
multiple
true?
of 5.
If it's
I'm saying
exponential,
the
it
multiple
would
of
never
5. You
hit
see this
0.
multiple of 5 right
Because
here?
it's like, it's half-lives. They would never.
But it's saying if you're taking the half-life and then multiplying it by 5, you're still going to get. You're still going to end up with a number big enough.
Just wait.
I
Just
will.
wait.
I will. And when you're wrong, and it's
No, she's
it's-
what if she like messed up at like closer to the beginning and then the whole thing got ruined, so she just ruined everything.
oh yeah.
And she just kept on
But
going.
I turned out right. It is all that matters.
But it doesn't matter because if you make a mathematical error.
Well, I'll make
Oh.
sure I won't.
oh
What do you
Okay.
think about this?
That's good. Yeah. What if the rate was negative 0.013 times the square root of y?
Then it would hit 0.
You don't have to get into that one. But I'm just throwing that out as a question. Y'all have, this is great, okay? You all are bringing up the really good points. You're getting emotional about it. I'm hoping that we'll get blood on the floor before we're done here.
Oh yeah.
yeah.
I
Okay.
can arrange that.
What?
Smack.
We already had joust.
Oh.
I mean, we already had joust.